Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com and I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So making money from anywhere in the world without having any experience must sound pretty sweet. And this is exactly what Remotasks, one of the world's most popular microtask websites, claims that you can do. The site is completely free to sign up for, it has millions of members from around the world, and it lets you make money online in your own schedule. But is Remotasks a scam or is it legit? Well, I signed up for the platform, I became a worker on it, and I tested it out to find out how much it can pay. And in this Remotask reviews, I'm covering how much it pays, if it's worth it or not, and some other alternatives you can use to make even more money. Let's get to it. All right, so just starting off, what is Remotasks and how does it work? Well, like I mentioned, it's a global and popular microtask website that pays people for completing short online tasks like data labeling, transcription, AI training, content moderation, and similar jobs. And so the company really focuses on these kind of AI training tasks that can't be automated quite yet. So again, lots of things like image labeling, image annotation, AI training tasks, stuff of that nature. Now, it's currently available in over 90 countries, making it one of the most globally accessible microtask sites out there. And it is completely free to sign up for, and it only takes a minute or two to create your account, so it's very simple to use. At least it would seem. Once you actually sign up for Remotasks, you have to complete an online data safety training quiz, and then you require even more short training courses before unlocking any of the paid tasks. Now, when I was testing it out, it took me about 15 minutes to actually create my account, finish the data safety training modules, and then finish the actual training modules that even let me begin making money with the site. But once you complete all of your training, you can then claim tasks and actually start completing them to earn money online. And so when I was testing it out, the first task I tried basically involved looking at Amazon product data and helping the system decide how to categorize it. So it was a bit confusing at first. I'll put up some screenshots that show what some of the questions were like or what it even looked like in the interface. And again, it wasn't really clear to me at the start how I even completed the tasks, and it was a little bit stressful because I kept getting them wrong. There was also no indication of how long the task would take, so I didn't know if I had to answer 20 of these questions, 100, or 1,000. But anyways, I completed about 10 questions on this particular task, and I earned 0.03 cents, so definitely didn't make that much. So that's how Remotasks works in a nutshell. Again, you sign up, it's free, you complete your training, and then you claim other tasks you want to complete to begin making money. Now that you kind of understand how it works, let's dive into how much it actually pays, because what Remotasks says you earn and what you actually earn are quite different. All right, so how much does Remotasks actually pay? Well, the website claims that their workers can earn up to $15 to $20 per hour performing tasks through the website. However, users report that actual earnings are more in the $2 to $3 per hour range. And again, when I was testing out Remotasks, I found this to be the case. You know, I completed about 10 questions on this Amazon product rating data task that I didn't really understand, and I got paid 0.03 cents. One thing that was also really unfortunate is that because I got quite a few answers wrong in my first task, my accuracy score dropped from my account. And one of the ways Remotasks actually decides how much you're paid is how accurate you are. So it was really intimidating off the bat. Like, I was kind of just thrown into this task I didn't really understand. I didn't know how long the task lasted for, and then my accuracy score kind of tanked and I got paid fractions of pennies. Now, you can earn more money per hour over time if you keep your accuracy score high. You also level up your account. And this is because Remotasks pays workers based on 3 factors: how complex tasks are, your accuracy, and how much you contribute to an entire task. So if you're super accurate and you do most of the work for a given task, you might earn a lot more than if you're, pretty inaccurate and you don't do that much work on the platform. But yeah, overall, I do not think people are making $15 to $20 per hour. I think $3 to $5 per hour would be the maximum earning you should expect from this microtask site. And I really struggled when testing it. I barely earned anything. Okay, so cashing out, how do you actually get paid with Remotasks? Well, one nice thing is that the platform actually pays you weekly via PayPal or Airtime. A lot of microtask sites out there pay you monthly and you have to submit invoices. So I like that Remotasks at least pays you, with cash, and it pays you pretty quickly. All right, so what are the pros and cons of Remotasks? I want to cover some of the advantages and disadvantages of this microtask site and why you might consider using it or why you might just ditch it. All right, so the first pro of Remotasks is just that it's easy to start using. Yes, there's some data safety training and some other training modules, but signing up is free. You just need your email, and it doesn't take you too long to set up your account. The second pro I wanted to mention is that it's globally available. It's in over 90 countries, I believe, according to its website, so pretty much anyone can sign up for it. And the third pro is just these fast cash payments. Again, you're not submitting invoices and you're not waiting months to get paid. You can get paid weekly. As for the cons, the first con I want to mention is just that it can be very difficult. It says the tasks are easy, and some of them are, but in my experience, the task I started testing out was very, very difficult. It was hard to stay accurate, and it didn't pay very much. And that is the second con, is just low hourly pay. I mean, Remotasks has said, oh, you can make 10, 15, 20 bucks an hour, but I think for most people, you're probably making, $1, $2, maybe $3 to $5 per hour at most. All right, so for the scam or legit score, what am I giving Remotasks? Well, I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 5 on this one. I like how quick it is to sign up for. I like that it's globally available. I like the sheer number of tasks it has, but Again, the hourly pay and just the whole accuracy score system and how confusing it was for me at the start are a major downside. It's still one of the most popular microtask sites out there, but in my opinion and experience, I think you're better off using websites like Clickwork or Appin just because they pay more per hour. You can also check out microtask sites like Lionbridge. It also pays similarly to Appin. And if you live in the United States, I also suggest checking out Fancy Hands, which is a platform that caters to virtual assistants. Again, I think all of these kind of microtask sites pay a lot more than Remotasks, and I've honestly rarely encountered websites that were as tricky and confusing as Remotasks just off of the bat. Anyways, guys, I hope this Remotasks review helps clarify how the platform works and if it's worth using or not. I'm also going to be linking my ultimate microtask guide down below that has some better alternatives you can use. And again, I've covered microtask sites on this channel before, so look for those videos as well if you want even more earning options. But yeah, that does it for this one, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic week. And as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.